Hey guys, this is Rigo with eXp Realty, and today I want to share an exciting win that we helped our client achieve. Come and check it out. So guys, this house is located in Rancho Bonita. It's very centrally located, and this house right here, 10 months ago, we helped our client negotiate this home from $400,000 to $375,000, and the seller paid for our buyer's closing costs, which was about $7,000. So they ended up winning on the buy, and now on the sell, 10 months later, we helped them sell this home for $525,000. That is an increase of $150,000. Tell me that isn't a win. And let me show you guys a few photos of what they did, how it looked before compared to today. Check it out. So what did you guys think? I personally think they did a fantastic job. I'm super excited for my clients now. They're on to their next journey. Now, do you have a similar goal? We're here to help. Please feel free to contact us. Information is down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more videos. Out.